So we have a June 1443 variant question number 7, and we have this diagram mentioned here. How to find out the unknown angles P, Q, this is a X, this is a X, T, alright, and we have these angles to find. So let's see how we can find. This P is very simple because you know on a straight line, if one angle is 32, how to find the other one? So sum of the angle is 180. So the first part is very clear. So P is equal to 180 minus 32. So P comes 78. Wait a minute, 148. Okay. So this is okay. This way I have done it. Okay. So now majority students stuck here because rest is we don't know how to find it. So let's see. You know, these arrows will help us. These two lines are parallel to each other. I'll just give a hint. When this line and this line parallel to each other, like double arrows, and if I make a line here, and if I make a line here, so these lines are parallel to each other. What angle is here? Same angle is here, same angle is here, and same angle is here. I repeat my words again. So you can see that these two lines are parallel to each other, and this single arrow and single arrow, I think you can see that. This line cutting like this, okay? So angle between double arrow and single arrow, this is a single arrow. So angle between double arrow and single arrow, so angle between double arrow and single arrow. So this is also 32. Okay. So that is why double arrow, single arrow, single arrow. So they are exactly same. Interestingly, if I extend this line further, so this is double arrow, this is single arrow. So it means this is the double arrow, I repeat again, double arrow, single arrow, double arrow, single arrow. So this is also 32. So I hope so you got the idea behind. No, so we can get the answer easily from here. So let's start again. So yes, so you got it, this. So this is what I got already, and how to get this. So you know this is 32 and this is a 180 straight line. So we can say that T plus 32 equal to 180. So T also same. 180 minus 32. So T is as well 148. Okay. So we got a same 138. This 148 we got. So T is equal to 148. And P is I got 148. Okay. Now this is interesting. This is 90. This is 32. And this angle I'm looking for, not hard to find. So I give this name as a, let's say, Y. How to find this Y? So you know some of the all angles, Y plus 90 plus 32 equal to 180. So add them all equal to 180. So I am getting Y equal to 180 minus 2 and 90, 12. So it means I'm getting 58. Yeah, 58 degree. So it means I got a 58, Q, Y is a 58. But if Y is 58, how much Q is not a hard job. So we can say that Q angle plus 58 equal to 180. So Q 180 minus 58 will give us 122. So we got the angle 122 easily. Okay. So we got it up till now very clear. Okay. So we got, we have a P, we have a T, we have a Q. So we have a P, we have a Q, we have a T, only X left. So for X, if you look at carefully, count side please, starting from A. 1 side, 2 side, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexagon, this is a hexagon. So hexagon, if it is a hexagon, let's say it is hexagon. If it is a hexagon, 6 side, you know the 6 sides. So what is the sum of the interior angles? So sum of interior angles. Interior angles. So this gives you what? N minus 2 into 180, fixed formula. So put 6 here and hexagon 6. So when I put 6 here, 6 minus 2, so I am getting 720. So 720 means like this angle plus this plus give you all 720. So let's find. So I think I can close to my answer. Yeah, here 148 plus x 2 times plus x 2 times. So x plus x plus 148 plus 90 plus 148 plus 90 plus q, and q value is 122 and equal to this total, which is 720. So x plus x give you 2x, and let me calculate all together. Now let's check what. Okay, so let's count here. Calculate 148 plus 148 plus 90 plus 122. So 720 minus 508 and 720 minus 508 and divide by 2. So I got x is equal to 106. 106. Okay. So that's it, and I think question is very clear. Okay, students, this is a June 1543 question 6 we have. Again, same story to the students, that whenever there is, for example, this double arrow here, like this way, double arrow, okay, and when a line make like this, for example, this make and this, and what is angle between? So come back again. So what is angle between double arrow and single arrow? So look here. If I extend forward and backward, this is double arrow, this single arrow, and this backward double arrow. So it means this is the double arrow and the single arrow. So you can see here double arrow and single arrow, and angle between them is here 140. What is this 140? Similarly, if you look at single arrow and double arrow, and this is also 140. Okay, this is also 140. How come it's 140? You can see just a little sense here. Double arrow, and this is single arrow and single arrow. So 140. Now issue left here, we have it. Okay, we have this. Okay, here I will do one extra work. This is line parallel to it. How much this angle? 90. How much this angle? 90 degree. Okay. Do you know this line is parallel to this one? So this single arrow. Okay. So you know that whenever two lines are parallel to each other and line cut, is this angle equal to this? Yes, why not? So if this is a 140 and this will become 40, confirm. So how much this? Confirm 40. Okay. Similarly, it means I got total become what? 130. Okay. Similarly, this line is parallel to this one. They are parallel. See? So how much this angle? This angle, you know, they always supplementary. These are supplementary angle always. Like I repeat again, when two lines are parallel, a line cut, they are parallel. If this angle is let's say 40, so this angle and this angle always supplementary. If you add them, give you always 180. Okay. So if this is 120, how much this angle? 60. Was how possible, sir? If I extend further, how much this angle? 60. And this 60 equal. Okay. If this extend, how much this 40? How much this 40? Why this? Because they are supplementary. I think question is over, and just add them and get the answer. How come? Let's start from here. 90, done. Oh, sorry, he was asking EFA. Where is EFA? EFA. So angle EFA is, so 60 plus 40 give you 100. So that's it. Direct answer. They're not direct answer. Like without just show work on the diagram. That's it. So a regular polygon and side, each exterior angle is this one. Recall, I taught a formula. What? So each exterior angle formula is each exterior angle formula is what? 360 by the number of sides. By the number of sides. This is a fixed formula. Okay. So he's saying each exterior angle is this one. So it means I got n by 10 and 360 is here, and number of sides he mentioned. How many sides are there? N sides. So keep it here n. N goes there and square 10 comes here, 3600. Take root